Take a look at this 1957 Mercury Turnpike Cruiser two-door hardtop. Talk about a car you don't see every day. This car just came to us out of an estate. The gentleman had, I believe, 3 or 4 cars, and the family's asked us to try to find them some new homes. So this 1957 Turnpike Cruiser is ready for a new owner. You don't see as many of these in the two-door hardtops as the 4 doors, partially because there was only 7,291 of these two-door hardtop Turnpike Cruisers built in '57. So as production numbers go, that's not really a lot. And this one is a great looking example of one that you could get in and go for a cruise and enjoy. Go to the car shows and people ask you, what is that? And you can be proud to say that you've got a pretty rare car. This one's it's in good condition. Obviously not perfect. There's a few things that show its age on the car. Some of the chrome is starting to have a little bit of haze or things like this, but as you can see as we go around it, overall, she still looks pretty daggone good. All right, we'll take a look at the inside here quick. Now, these cars had a lot of unique features, and we'll try to cover a few of them here as well. But again, you can see the door cards and interior actually look very nice. They're in good condition. That's the correct factory interior. Got the black and white with the gold piping. It was on the Turnpike Cruisers. Now, one of the most fun things is if you can see that back window is down, and that window, it's a power window. And that does work. It goes up and down. I'll try to demonstrate that here in a little while. But anyways, as we sit down, you notice the shape of the steering wheel was unique. Push button automatic transmission right here. Here's the controls for the transmission, and the starter is right here. And then right there is the switch for the rear window. And speedometer. I noticed even the clock is working. But great looking interior. Headliner and the chrome bows really set the car off. All right, I'm gonna get the hood open for you, and we will take a look under the hood. Okay, we got the hood open out there. Start it up. So you turn the key on. There you see the fuel gauge did just sweep. And we'll go back over here. The brake is on. Try to get this shown for you. Just like that. As you can see, the tachometer even works. Look where she's idling at about 600 RPM. Nice and smooth. Also, I'll try to show you the rear window. Look at that. Works nice and smooth, just the way it's supposed to.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Under the hood, this car is powered by the 368 engine, V8 of course. And as you can see, and hear hopefully, running nice and smooth. Gorgeous. Of course, the car does have power steering and power brakes as well. You see there's a little bit of pitting on a couple of the pieces like this, but overall, still looking pretty good. A few pimples in the paint right there. Yeah. These built-in vents are really kind of neat as well. Alright. Again, I should have pointed out, if you look down the sides of the car, nice and straight. And that gold trim was only available on the Turnpike Cruiser. Here's a closer look at that rear window for you as well. at uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, trade-ins are always considered, financing is available, and extended warranties are available to protect your purchase as well.